I got the snack wraps. Oh my god, I haven't had these in I don't even know how long. I think since like 2010 or something. It's been forever. I got a ranch and a spicy. And got some water, some rice. Let's try the snack wrap again. Here's the ranch one. Let's try it. It's just like I remember it. So good. Now let's try the spicy one. Alright, let's try the spicy one. Very spicy. There's like a spicy sauce. It's good. I like this one better. 10, 10. 10, 10. If you never had a snack wrap before, you're gonna love them. They're so good. If you like spicy, get the spicy one. The ranch one's okay, but this one's good. Thank you, McDonald's, for bringing it back. Thank you. We missed it.